Hello everybody, welcome back to day 6 of the Mastering Your Meditation Masterclass series. My aim for this video is to assist you to develop a better understanding of how to practice mantra meditations so you can experience all of the amazing benefits such as stress reduction, better focus and concentration, the ability to have more and more empowering positive thoughts, focused on a brighter future, and ultimately the acceleration of your goals, dreams, and aspirations. If you don't know me, my name is Tony Myers, and I'm known as an authority on meditation, and I'm a meditation teacher trainer, an author, a researcher, and a coach. And over the last 20 years, I've been fortunate enough to teach over 5,000 classes and workshops. And more importantly, my life mission is to train millions of world-class meditation teachers. In this video, we will be covering what are mantra meditation techniques, why practice mantra meditations, and how to practice mantra meditations. Having said that,
mantras encompass an array of sacred sounds, chants, or words that are said to have been realized by the ancient rishis in the highest states of meditation, and they're believed to have special spiritual powers. The earliest mantras were documented in the ancient Vedic texts of India, and it's said to be at least 3,000 years old. However, mantras have more than likely been practiced for thousands of years earlier and may be older than language itself. Mantra meditations are advocated by certain schools of thought to be one of the most easiest and powerful meditation techniques that we can practice. The root man from the word mantra comes from the first syllable of the word meaning to think, and tra meaning to protect or to free the mind. In the 21st century, mantras now exist in nearly all of the world's schools of Hinduism, Buddhism, Jainism, Sikhism, Tantra, and many others. Furthermore, mantras are also practiced without any religious or spiritual significance, with great benefits. So the questions now become, why practice mantra meditations? Well, every form of matter in the universe, down to the smallest atom, is vibrating at its own frequency, speed, and volume. Even our thoughts, feelings, and emotions are vibrating at their own frequency, whether they are in harmony or dissonant and unpleasant. According to yogic philosophy, when there is disharmony in the energetic fields of the body or the mind, energy blockages can occur, and this is where illnesses are formed. Therefore, mantra meditations can help to overcome this by producing positive vibrations that have a profound effect on the physical and energetic dimension of our human experience. So how can mantra meditations help us on a mental or a spiritual level? Well, on a cognitive level, mantra meditations transcend an overactive, ruminating, busy mind to settle down. This process further activates the rest and rejuvenative parasympathetic nervous system. When the mind is in a relaxed state, it has a natural tendency to move towards more inner peace, inner focus, inner happiness, and clarity. This is a natural state of our minds, and it's always been with us. We all have these states and the ability to access a more calmer, peaceful, clear, and harmonious mind. It just takes some practice and the right techniques. So now that we know that, how do we practice mantra meditations? Well, the first step is to decide on a mantra. There are two basic categories of mantras. Number one, which is called a bija or seed mantra. These mantras are said to have no meaning, but are utilized to induce higher states of consciousness. These particular style of mantras are said to have energetic and spiritual powers. And then the other basic category of mantras is mantras that have a meaning to the practitioner, and they're expressed and repeated with a strong belief, such as mantras repeating the names of the divine. When first learning mantra meditation, it's advised to choose a single universal bija mantra. Even experienced meditators still practice and receive great benefits from these simple mantras. Many bija mantras in general have no meaning, but they have special vibrations, as I mentioned. However, the great yogi Swami Shivananda of Rishikesh advocates that we should repeat mantras in the name of the Lord. This is known as a japa jap, and it's a meditative repetition of a mantra in the divine's name if you're so inclined. This particular mantra can be a form of any deity, religion. For the yogis believe that all religions and gods are the same. So let's start off with one of the most simple and effective bija mantras called Om. Om is a great place to start. It's mentioned in numerous texts and is described as the holy sound of the universe. Om is said to be the king of all mantras and can be practiced by anyone. The repetition of the Om calms the mind and tends to distract it from the day-to-day worries and tensions. So how do we practice the Om mantra? Well, Om can be chanted slowly or quickly, in time or out of time with the breath. Each method is as good as the other, and you must experience yourself to find out your own preference. A powerful method can be to chant Om in sync with the heart and feel the Om resonating throughout the whole body in tune with the natural heartbeat. The Om mantra has slightly differences in meanings depending on the individual spiritual references. It is said to represent the individual consciousness within called Atma. Additionally, it is said to also signify the essence of the ultimate reality, the cosmic, divine, or supreme spirit called the Brahma in Sanskrit. The Soham is the next mantra that can be practiced and is widely accepted. Soham naturally corresponds with the actual sound of inhalation and the exhalation. If you listen carefully to your breath, you'll hear the sound of So with the inhalation and Hum with the exhalation. The meaning of the mantra Soham is not essential for the practice. However, it is worthwhile explaining it. Soham means I am, he, or I am Shiva, or I am consciousness. When practicing divine mantras, repeat the mantra with the feeling of knowing its divine meaning that is personal to you. When repeating these mantras, you can visualize your chosen divine object as well. Divine mantras are very powerful when repeated with awareness of the heart chakra. When we practice divine mantras in this way, feel that your heart is being purified and that your mind is becoming steady by the power of the mantra. Furthermore, you can feel your whole heart and your body connecting to and receiving the grace of your belief in your spiritual higher reality.
So there you have it. That completes the lesson on uncovering the mystery surrounding mantra meditations. I hope you found this knowledge very informative and beneficial in transforming your meditation practice. And I hope you can now see mantra meditations in a new light and how you can utilize them for transformation. So let me know in the comments if you have any questions. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to learn more about how to master your meditation practice and become the creator of your destiny. And in the next video of the Meditation Masterclass Training Series, I'm going to be covering step by step how to tune into high states of consciousness by practicing the ancient meditation technique called Chidakash Dharana.